is Grandma JoJo, and today I'm gonna give you guys some tips on what Granny does on the go. Let's get started. Wait, what am I doing? I don't know how to work today's devices, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I got the right button. Okay, we're gonna get started. Okay. This is what I'm wearing on the go, usually. Because I'm pretty cool grandma. Because grandmas are awesome. Am I right, ladies? Okay. And scene. Okay.
Hey, Granny.
Yeah?
Your pants is falling down.
Oh! Oh no! Teenagers! I can't. These pants are too tight on me. Get out of my way!
No, I don't have to. I don't have to still. What's this for?
This is my dirty old van repellent.
Do
It's
it.
also for teenagers too. Okay.
You can do this.
I'm sorry, I'm not strong enough.
You can't get me. You can't.
I got you. Grandma down! Grandma down!
No, you squirt you.
No, don't squirt me. No, never squirt me.
Wait, let me try this. I'll kick you off.
No, give me my cane.
Give me that back. Granny, your pants are still falling down.
Grandmas are stronger than teenagers.
Oh!
Grandmas are in the day.
Kitty?
Oh, Grandma down. Okay. Listen to this, old man.
I don't have to listen to you. I'm not an old man. I'm only 13. See a bug?
Where? It's just a bug. See, he's scared of a little bug.
Oh, look. If you would know, I need to take this.
Give that here, young man.
I'm not young. I'm older than you.
No, I'm 63. You're 13.
That's how old my grandma is. Grandma down!
Oh, Justin.
Grandma down!
Okay. Now, to get people out of the way, you just honk your horn. If you have one. Yeah. Grandma JoJo's on the go.
Yo, Grandma. No water in there.
Repellent. Water. Repellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Is that poison?
No. It's just dirty old man.
And
So
then
you're gonna throw it in and good your
your pants
nail.
are still falling down.
I don't care.
What?
I'm strong and powerful.
Oh, really? Try to knock me down.
Oh, really? Oh!
You can beat me up. Show me your moves. Show me 'em. Try to knock me down.
Grandma's roll.
Grandma's 63.
I'm 63 CEO Jordan. And I like to fight teenagers.
Granny, you're going down. Horse shot.
Oh, yeah.
You must have made me come down. And now here comes an excellent man. No! No! Ow!
He's down. He's down. My hand. Give me my hand. No, my pantyhose. My pantyhose.
Hey! Give me that hat back. This is my cool hair.
Guys, if you see me out there, call 911. Okay, guys, so that was my tips. And make sure to not subscribe to him. Okay, so he's a pretty good man. But anyway, this is my cane that I used. I got it from the store.
Yo, Granny, give me something to eat.
No, go to the store and buy something. Okay, so this is my repellent. I usually put stuff in here when I go out on my dinner dates.
Granny!
Shh.
Granny!
And this is my honk in the horn if anyone's around me trying to strangle me with my purse. And then sometimes there's this thingy down here, and when you press down, it goes squeaky. And this is my sign. Old lady crossing. Okay, guys, so I hope you can use my tips. And don't forget, I'm Granny JoJo. And don't you forget it. Good? Alright. I hope you guys liked the video Grandma JoJo made.
Can we make another one next? Like, can we make another one, like a part 2 tomorrow?
Maybe. We'll see.
No, I wouldn't do it tomorrow. Please. Please, can I do it tomorrow?
Maybe. We'll see. Ugh. He makes me angry. Okay. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye. Have a nice day.